Step on the way, yeah, man. In the garden, secrets grow. Hidden truth we come to know. Every flower, every vine, teach the soul a word divine. Roots go deep, the branches tall. Garden bless and guide us all. Every color, every shade, garden where the light is made. Elders sit beneath the tree, garden sing of prophecy. Birds them carry sacred song, garden teach where we belong. Babylon cannot enter here, garden keep the spirit clear. Every leaf a book of truth, garden guide the heart of youth. Morning dew and evening rain, garden heal the world of pain. River flow and sunlight shine, garden show the plan divine. No more hunger, no more fear, garden make the blessing near. Every path a righteous way, garden turn the night to day. Seasons change but still it grow, garden where the spirit flow. Fruit of mercy, seed of peace, garden gift that never cease. Babylon axe may swing in vain, garden truth remain again. Everlasting, bold and free, garden guard eternity. Generation gather round, garden make the holy sound. Wisdom bloom from age to age, garden write the righteous page. Every voice a sacred hymn, garden light will never dim. Ever pure, forever bright, garden shines your holy light. Grow, grow, holy seed, garden give us all we need. Shine, shine, wisdom flame, garden glorify your name. Garden of wisdom strong and true, teach the people what to do. Bloom forever, never fade, garden where your light is made. Psychic blessing, pure delight, garden shine both day and night. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Aye, aye. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Hear the thunder, shake the land. Voice of Jah is mighty hand. Echo deep across the plain. Thunder break the wicked chain. Every mountain start to move. Thunder speak the righteous truth. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall. Thunder rise above it all. Lightning flash and rivers glow. Thunder let the whole world know. Prophet hear the holy sound. Thunder shake the solid ground. No more silence, no disguise. Thunder open blinded eyes. Every echo pure and bright. Thunder prove the holy might. Valley sing with echo strong. Thunder chant the Zion song. Every strike a sacred sign. Thunder mark the will divine. Darkness scatter, night is gone. Thunder guide the morning sun. Every heart begin to see. Thunder bring the victory. Babylon tried to hide away. Thunder still declare the day. Walls collapse, the towers fall. Thunder judgment reach them all. Every lie and every scheme. Thunder break it like a dream. Echo loud both far and near. Thunder say the truth is here. Jump, ja-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Jump, ja-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Generations lift the hand. Thunder sweep across the land. Everlasting, bold and free. Thunder sing eternity. Voice eternal, sound so pure. Thunder truth will still endure. Glorious echo, strong and bright. Thunder shine your holy light. Boom, boom, mighty tone. Thunder never stand alone. Rise, rise, voice of flame. Thunder glorify your name. Thunder in the valley, pure and strong. Shake the earth with holy song. Never silent, never still. Thunder move by Jah will. Forever roaring, bold and free. Thunder sing the prophecy. people and the animals, yeah man. Smoke arise from Zion Peak. Fire speak what word can speak. Blazing torch of holy flame. Fire call Jah mighty name. Darkness flee before the light. Mountain fire burns so bright. Every stone begin to glow. Fire teach what we must know. Shepherds stand with staff in hand. See the fire cleanse the land. Thunder roar and voices sing. Fire crown the rightful king. Babylon fortress melt away. Fire mark the righteous day. Every shadow, every light. Fire consume beneath the sky. Pilgrims climb this sacred hill. Feel the fire, spirit fill. Heart ignite with holy song. Fire guide them all along. Eagles circle, drums resound. Fire shake this solid ground. Glorious blaze, eternal sign. Fire prove Jala divine. Even night cannot conceal. Fire of Zion strong and real. Babylon tremble, kingdoms fall. Fire of truth consume them all. Every ember spark of grace. Fire of mercy fill the place. Glowing bright from age to age. Fire of Jah rewrite the page. Generations bowing up. Fire fulfill the holy law. Everlasting flame so pure. Fire of truth will still endure. Torch eternal, shining guide. Fire of Zion will not hide. Sacred flame both strong and right. Fire of Jah destroy the night. Burn, burn, holy flame. Glorify Jah mighty name. Rise, rise, mountain glow. Fire of Zion overflow. Sky, never fading, never gone. Fire of Zion still live on. Torch eternal, bold and free. Fire declare the victory. Zion reggae, man. the jungle. Silver stream flow from the stone. River sing a righteous stone. Washing scars from ancient days. Carry souls in holy ways. No more thirst, the drought is gone. River chant the freedom song. Flow eternal, wide and deep. Rivers guard the truth we keep. Underneath the morning sun. River blessing everyone. Cool the fire, cleanse the land. River guided by John. No corruption, no decay. River wash them all away. Every nation bow and see. River flow for unity. Mountains bow before its tide. River strong and sanctified. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the water speak once more. Secrets carried to the sea. River whisper prophecy. Every current pure and bright. River flow with Jah delight. Through the valley, through the plain. River heal the earth from pain. Roots them drink, the flowers grow. River teach what we must know. Babylon fortress feet to stand. River claim the holy land. Voices rise, the chant is clear. River said the truth is near. Da 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 da. Generations gather round. River make the holy sound. Everlasting, strong and free. River guide eternity. No more sorrow, no more fight. River shine the morning light. Flowing forward, never end. River rise, the soul transcend. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Carry on the righteous dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River guide the holy light. Rivers of redemption, wide and pure. Carry truth that will endure. Flow forever, never still. River move by Jah will. Strong and endless, bold and free. Rivers bring the victory.
Bada bim, bada boom. OG cushion a me lung, yeah man. Rise up, children of Jah. Money light, break the law. Babylon, wall can't stand. Zion lion, guard the land. Hear the roar, inna the drum. Rasta know the king of the come. Strength of root, fire of flame. Every heart chant your name. Me see the banner rise so tall. One roar for freedom for all. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people across land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forever strong, forever true. Lion of Zion, carry you. Ancient war we all. True stand firm like solid stone. Never leave Jah throne. Echo loud in the earth and sky. Lion of Zion, never die. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people across land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forevermore, the lion lead. Plant of love, righteous seed. Lion of Zion, stand so tall. One roar of love for all. Ay, ay, ay. Reggae of Zion, Kenya man. Oh. Early morning dew on me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light on the inside. Me chant psalms from me heart core. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me every day. Missy mountain, missy valley. Me pass city and small alley. Some try test I, throw me shade. But Jah give I strength, me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life, but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop a rain teach I something, fi ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan, Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me every day. Me meet elders pon me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need sacred ride. Some slow, some quick, some try hide, but truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. Zion reggae, yeah man. Zion reggae, yeah man. Me wake me for the morning rise. Send me prayer up to the skies. Me thank Jah for the gift of life. Shield me from the Babylon strife. Me kneel on earth, me touch the ground. Feel Jah power all around. Rootsman prayer, strong and pure. Jah love forever sure. Rootsman prayer, inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. Inna Jah garden make it grow. Me pray for youth, me pray for poor. Me pray Babylon fight no more. Me pray for rivers, pray for tree. Pray the people live in peace. Every chant me send above. Wrap the world in Jah love. Rootsman voice, humble tone. Still can shake the wicked throne. When the sun gets high, me still meditate on Jah will. Every breath a holy word. Every sound the heavens heard. From the mountains to the street, Rootsman prayer never cease. Day and night me call Jah name. Righteous flame remain the same. Me pray for the mother, pray for the child. Pray them heart remain undefiled. Pray for the soldier, drop the gun. Pray the healing soon begun. Me pray for the elder, strong and wise. Guide the youth with open eyes. Rootsman prayer like river flow. Carry love wherever it go. Prayer rise, blessing fall. Jah hear the cry of all. Lift we up from Babylon dust. Guide we in Jah righteous trust. Rootsman chant we set we free. Open eyes for truth we see. Evening come, me still give thanks for the food and for the ranks. Every blessing, big or small, Jah deserve them one and all. When the stars light up the sky, Rootsman prayer still flying high. Till the morning break again, me call Jah holy name. Rootsman prayer inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word a seed me sow. Inna Jah garden make it grow. From sunrise till the night is near, Rootsman prayer still ringing clear. meditation deep in the jungle, yeah man. Early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stole. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try to fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a RASTA chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill, the fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae nights. The rhythm and a kind of full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo, no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a little spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride. Me link with nature, Jah by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universe align. One love still lives like fire in a breeze. Blow through leaves and whisper peace. Me see it shine in every face. Me feel it deep in drumbeat bass. One love still lives, no system can kill. It rises in silence, strong and still. Me chant it loud, me sing it true. Me pass the flame from I to you. Imagine earth with no more war. Just sound systems under star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright, but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where I'll get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look upon art and grace. So me chant rise up, oh children true. The world await the light in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die. It just change name, sometimes Bob, sometimes Jah. Sometimes me brethren from far, but always love. Deep and wide, it guide me steps, it walk beside. So if you're lost or full of fight, play this tune in the night and feel it rise. From soul to sky, cause one love still lives, it never die.
Na Zion reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion power everlasting. Not of gold nor silver bright, but of love and holy light. It ruled the meek, it ruled the true. Throne of Jah for me and you. Every word a holy call. Throne of Zion reign for all. Throne of Zion, seat of peace, rule of love will never cease. Every nation
stands so high, it stands so strong. Throne of Jah where right belong. No tyrant hand, no wicked reign. Only truth and love remain. It guide the people, guard the land. Throne established by Jah hand. Forever justice, never wrong. Throne of Zion ever strong. Me see the elders gathered near. Sing the song for all to hear. Throne surrounded by pure flame. Glorify the holy name. It bless the children, bless the poor. Throne of Zion open door. No Babylon can overthrow. Throne of Jah forever show. It shine like diamond, glow like sun. Throne of Zion rule is one. Every crown and scepter fade, but Jah throne forever made. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Throne of truth, all man seek. Righteous seat for all mankind. Throne of Jah, eternal mind. When the final trumpet play, throne of Zion still will stay. It judge the earth, it rule with care. Justice always standing there. No power greater, no name higher. Throne of Jah, eternal fire. Seat of mercy, seat of song. Throne of Zion ever strong. Stand tall, bow down. Throne of Zion wear no crown. Only light and only love. Throne established high above. Throne of Zion, seat of peace. Rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. From dawn of time till end of day. Throne of Zion always stay. Zion Raga, yeah man. This a the chant for the people. Same blood, same sky equal. No matter color, no matter creed. Love are the only seed we need. From ghetto yard to mountainside. Jaja love we not hide. Me lift me voice for all to hear. Unity come, draw near. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. Me chant for the farmer in the field. Pray Jah bless the crop and yield. Me chant for the youth them in the street. Pray Jah guide them every beat. Every voice come join along. Fill the ear with righteous song. Chant for the people far and near. Jaja blessings always here. Even when the war drum play. Me chant for peace to rule the day. Me chant for the healing of the land. Planting love with every hand. Every nation, every tongue. Sing the chant from old to young. Me see the vision clear and bright. Chant for the people through the night. Me chant when the rain come down. Me chant when the sky turn brown. Me chant in the good and bad. Me chant with the joyful and the sad. No matter season, no matter time. Me chant in rhythm and in rhyme. When the sun sets in our west, me chant till me soul find rest. Me chant for the prisoner behind the gate. Pray rivers flow. Carry hope, carry peace, till all the suffering cease. From sunrise till setting sun, chant for the people one by one. When the drum beat call me name, chant for the people just the same. Chant for the people day and night, guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. From valley low to mountain steep, Jaja love we always keep.
Ganja leave ya man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. Narrow road but shining clear. Path of Zion draw me near. No wicked walk, no liar tread. Only righteous soul is led. It wind through valley, climb the hill. Path of Jah is holy still. Every step I chant a prayer. Path of Zion, take me there. Path of Zion, straight and true. Guide me spirit, guide me through. No more wandering, no more wrong. Path of Jah, keep I strong. It glow at night, it shine at dawn. Path of Zion, never gone. It lead the youth, it lead the old. Path more precious than fine gold. It break the chain, it heal the heart. Path of Jah, a holy start. Forever shining, never lost. Path of Zion, fear no cost. Me walk alone, me walk with friend. Path of Zion, never end. It bless the humble, bless the meek. Path of truth, all people seek. It call the soul, it call the name. Path of Jah, forever same. Every step, a holy song. Path of Zion, keep me strong. It rise above the dust and fire. Path of Zion, lift me higher. It guard the children, guard the land. Path made true by Jah hand. It shine with hope, it shine with peace. Path of love will never cease. Forever bright, forever sure. Path of Jah, forever pure. When the trumpet sound again, path of Zion still remain. It lead the faithful, lead the kind. Path of Jah, eternal mind. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Path of Zion, ever born. Eternal road, eternal flame. Path of Jah, forever same. Step light, step strong. Path of Zion, lead along. No hate, no war can change the way. Path of Jah, forever stay. Path of Zion, straight and true. Guide me spirit, guide me through. No more wandering, no more wrong. Path of Jah, keep I strong. From first step to endless day. Path of Zion, light the way.
land. Me wake to horns and Babylon's hand, but me light me spliff, me give me praise. Me chant for guidance through city maze. Me wear me dread like crown on head. Me trod through street where hope seem dead, but me nah fear no evil vibe. Me bring Jah light where shadows hide. Me see them run, them chase the pay. Them lose them soul along the way, but me stay firm, me stand me ground. Me reggae beat still shake the town. Girl, green smoke rising high in the sky. Jah know me spirit, Jah hear me cry. From rooftop height, is subway line. Me chant for love, me chant for sign. Jah sitting no silent, but I find peace. In the rhythm, me trouble cease. With ganja fire and roots in chest, me meditate, me find me rest. Me reach me corner, me safe zone. Me sit on rooftop all alone. Me roll it clean, me roll it tight. One spark and me soul ignite. Me close me eyes, me feel the beat. Me levitate above the street. Me nah need plane, me nah need car. Me fly with rhythm to Zion star. Me think about life, me think about now. Our system try to make man bow, but me resist in gentle way. Me live ital, me smoke and pray. Green smoke rising high in the sky, while sirens wail and pigeons fly. Me hold me peace inside me lungs. Me sing me songs in ancient tongues. No preacher tell I what fi feel. Me herb a temple, me truth are real. Me no escape, me face me scene, but still me rise in smoke so green. Inna the chaos, me still hear drum. Me heart a bassline, me soul a strum. Me walk with staff through Market Street. Me greet them youth, me drop them beat. Them ask Rasta, how you cope? Me say me all faith, me burn me hope. Me herb is key, me chant is gate. Me vibe strong, me love no hate. The food me cook, it pure and true. Me drink me roots, me sip me brew. Me tell the youth, love yourself first. Babylon train you, fi feel cursed. When the moon rise over tower light, me feel Jah presence hold me tight. No need for mansion, me have stars. Me roll one more beneath the cars. Each puff a prayer, each draw a song. Me hold this liberty firm and strong. Me nah compete, me nah pretend. Me know Jah walk with I till end. So if you lost in steel and stone, just light one up and trod alone. Listen for rhythm and traffic beat. Let the fire guide your feet. Zion echoes in the smoke we send. Truth arise and pain amend. Me city prayer, me herbal limb. Me journey start from deep within.
Zion reggae, yeah man.
Built with stone of living word. Temple of Zion, voices heard. No man hand could raise so high. Temple built by Jah Most High. It stand forever, never fall. Holy temple, all call. Every prayer a sacred sound. Temple bless the holy ground. Temple of Zion shining bright. House of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul. Temple make the broken whole. fight. Temple shine with holy light. It heal the sick, it feed the poor. Temple open every door. Forever strong, forever sure. Temple of Zion standing pure. Come true. Temple always calling you. No wicked plan can break the wall. Temple of Jah stand for all. Love eternal truth inside. Temple of Zion never hide. Step in, kneel low. Temple of Zion blessings flow. No chain, no it can close the gate. Temple of Jah forever grace. Temple of Zion shining bright. House of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul. Temple make the broken whole. From first stone to endless day. Temple of Zion always stay. Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Flowing pure from holy ground. River of Zion, sweet sound. Cool the thirsty, heal the weak. River bless the soul we seek. It wash away the stain of wrong. Carry truth and carry song. From mountain top it find the way. River flow both night and day. River of Zion flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. Tree, it feed the land. River guided by Jah hand. Every stream a holy song. Every wave the righteous strong. It heal the wounded, bless the poor. River open every door. From source to sea it never cease. River of Zion carry peace. River flow from Jah Lord. No poison there, no bitter taste. River flow with love and grace. It guide the children, guide the youth. River shining with the truth. No drought can stop, no chain can bind. River bless both heart and mind. It shine like silver in the night. River glow with holy light. It call the people, call them home. River say no more to roam. It bless the elder, bless the meek. River truth is what
we seek, forever strong, forever near. River of Zion flowing clear. Trumpet call again, river wash away the pain. It rise eternal, never dry. River flow beneath the sky, from Zion peak to ocean wide. River carry holy guide, love eternal, peace divine. River of Jah forever shine. Flow high, flow deep. River of Zion, blessings keep. No dam, no wall can stop the wave. River of Jah, forever safe. River of Zion, flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. From mountain spring to ocean shore. River of Zion, flow evermore. Zion reggae, yeah man. Me wake with sun, me rise up clean. Wash me face in stream so serene. Me kitchen small but me pot them full. Roots and greens make me belly cool. No flesh, no poison pan me plate. Me live ital, me elevate. Me pick from garden, me give thanks to earth. Me nah forget when me food find birth. Ital is vital, Jah way fit trot. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no process lie. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food to feel alright. Me sip herbs under moonlight. Ital live it in me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me remember the days in a city trap. Fast food make me spirit snap. Me feel heavy, me feel slow. Me body cry for the truth to grow. Till one day, me granny say, child, come taste what Ital say. She boiled some roots, she steamed some yam. She showed me how to live like Abraham. Ital is vital, Jah way fit trot. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no process lie. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food to feel alright. Me sip herbs under moonlight. Ital live it in me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me live it in a just about the meal. It deeper still, it's how me feel. Me bless me food before me eat. Give praise for nature so complete. Ital mean me nah live blind. Me take care of me heart and mind. Me cut the fake, me cut the sin. Me clean from outside and within. Ital fire blaze in a me soul. Me reason deep, me play me role. Me cook with brethren in the hills. Laughter mixed with ancient skills. No microwave, no soda fizz. Just roots, wine and natural bliss. Me chant round pot like sacred rite. Me taste the truth in every bite. Me bun Babylon, fast food chain. They profit while the people in chains. Me build me own with me two hand. Grow tomato, callaloo and yam. Me share with neighbor, me nah hoard. Me plant in soil, me reap reward. The
Jamaica cushion of the paper, yeah man. Roots dig deep in sacred ground. Every heartbeat, reggae sound. Freedom grow like ancient tree. Branches stretch to set we free. Babylon storm can't break the root. Zion strong with holy fruit. Every leaf a word of Jah. Every branch a guiding star. From seed to root, from root to sky. Freedom tree will never die. Roots of freedom grow so high. Touch the earth, reach the sky. Never cut, never bend. Roots of freedom got no end. Deep in soul, forever strong. Roots of freedom carry on. Ay, 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 ay. Children gather round the fire, sing the chant, lift it higher. Every tongue a sacred song, keep the righteous moving on. Freedom root in style of love, blessing rain from sky above. Hold it firm, no let it go. Roots of freedom ever grow. Generation to generation. Roots of freedom foundation. Roots so strong, deeper still. Freedom grow by Jah will. No chain, no sword, no hand can move Jah root from the land. Everlasting, never fall. Freedom root belong to all. Roots of freedom grow so high. Touch the earth, reach the sky. Never cut, never bend. Roots of freedom got no end. Forever stand in rain or sun. Roots of freedom, Zion one. Deep and wide, both far and near. Roots of freedom conquer fear. Jamaica kick a K for your man. Jamaica cushion of the paper, your man. Jamaica cushion of the paper, your man.